Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but 6% ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College long ka khot admission ha ki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call ha kini kinam
Hadin ka jingja Rngai juki arngut kishikurim ki balik ka shakathan sora bar hadin balami ki jingkan tho ba kathan sora kamlong ka Shngaiñ ban lek kai Umentri Ketenat Tourism jong ka sorka jilla uba poleng do ulong ba kum kini ki jingja amla lan la ka de shanu shanuru Hynriew kambut pat bakata ka jingja ka baja kini ki jingja kam Shngaiñ shu uba pol ula ai nuksa da ka baong baula don uwe Rangbah na ka jilla Meghalaya ubala lek ka sha Thailand Hynriew ula ja Rngai no bat minta ka jingja Rngai jong u kaladam Hynriew Bnai ula bu jingkeli da ka baong Hato Ngin ong ba ka Thailand kamlong ka jaka ka Shngaiñ ban lek kai uba pol ula ong ba ki jaka ha Meghalaya ki pher na ki bei pa ki jaka hari India namar ba hangni ki don kiryat ki them kum shawai ba shumadan ben Day nakata daw ulo ong bajan manla ki jaka jungok kai ki bu iki guide ni kinong yalam lenti ye kinong jungok kai khanang ba kanam ja lenti ne banam ja kanu ka jingja ka basngosi Hynriew kini ki arngut ki shikurim kimshim la shim ki guide haga por ba kimi na nong rian
The fact that we already have a robust ecosystem in place is proven by the phenomenon of growing footfalls in the Sahara region. And you can check this out for yourself. All hotels, resorts, homestays are packed to capacity. The fact that this unfortunate incident has occurred only means that, as I would like to repeat myself, we in the department cannot actually police every single inch of tourist destinations. Now, for instance, we have a gentleman from Shillong who traveled to Thailand and did not return, has not been traced 6 months from till today. Would you then say that Thailand is not safe for tourists? Okay, so the fact that these tourists when they travel to destinations like the living root bridges, we already have local guides everywhere. But now supposing somebody decides to venture beyond what is safe, what would be the role of the government? Therefore, the continuous rise in footfalls only proves that Sora is still a very popular tourist destination. As far as this case is concerned, we have taken up the matter right at the level of the Chief Minister, who spoke to his counterpart, and also a senior Minister of the Cabinet, but I had personally gone to the site on behalf of the state government. We have pressed into service all possible rescue operations. So that is briefly what government has done till today. Well, he has his own opinions, and since they are affected by the incident, obviously he will say a lot of things, sometimes overstating things also. But you have to realize that Meghalaya has a challenging topography and terrain. This is nothing like in the plains of India. We have challenging terrains, difficult to access. We have even villages which are not reachable, which is why, for instance, in the first instance, we have living root bridges. Why? Because our ancestors could not cross from one village to reach the next village. So they came up with living root bridges. See, each day gives us fresh insight and is a learning experience. So we will incorporate those points. We are extremely cautious about making sure that any travel plans to Meghalaya should be free of risks of disaster. But again, we have also issued an advisory, already issued this advisory months back as to the do's and don'ts. And you should also keep this in mind that in Meghalaya, tourism is a community-based activity. It is not the government. We own very few of the destinations. In fact, all of these destinations are owned by either private individuals or the local community. But the government is there to support, and I'd like you guys to also Google the number of tourists who go missing and who actually died in while traveling as tourists, different destinations. And India is still one of the safest. Even the UK and the US are no longer considered safe for travels. So this is just an instance where as far as our reports available with us suggest, most probably the couple must have gone beyond the range and were not accompanied by guides. Now when people go on a honeymoon, obviously they would not like to have a guide by their side. Then what do you do? So there are certain things which are beyond the control of man.